So we're outside with a camcorder. We have the infrared light switched on. We're looking at the stars, and this is actually a planet that we're looking at. It's probably the brightest thing in the sky. It's directly above us. And there's a lot of stars around us, so I'm gonna see whether I can actually see those other stars. Yeah, everything else seems to be a little bit too faint for this camcorder. So again, we're back to the brightest thing in the sky, which is a planet. I'm gonna take a little look over to our left where there's some stars, see whether we can pick up on any of them. Okay, there's the street. Okay, there's a star right there. So this camcorder is actually sensitive enough to see stars, but it can only see relatively bright stars. There's another one. There's actually a lot of stars in this part of the sky. The camcorder is just not picking them up. There's another one. So we're going to go back and finish on our planet. Having a hard job finding it. There it is. So that gives you some kind of idea of how sensitive the camcorder can be looking at stars and planets in the night sky. It's also important to do it on infrared so that you remove the infrared light filter that's used for the daytime and your camera will be more sensitive. Hope you enjoyed the presentation, and I wish you the very best of health. Thank you.